Hello everyone, welcome back to Star Education. As in the previous videos, we have done exercise 1.1 of class 9th NCERT Maths. In this video, we will be doing exercise 1.2. Let's start with question number 1. We have to state whether the following statements are true or false. The first statement, every irrational number is a real number. In this, we have to tell that if every irrational number is a real number, the answer will be true. Yes, every irrational number is a real number, as all of us know what are irrational numbers and what are real numbers. And if you don't know, you may go to any channel, you may go to Google and ask what is the irrational numbers or real numbers. Every type of number that are included in this chapter, you may know, because they are very important to know to you if you want to understand this chapter very thoroughly. Now, so this is the second part. Every point on the number line is in the form of root m, where m is a rational number. The answer to this question should be false, because root m, when we represent on a number line, it's not necessary that m will be a natural number only. M can be any type of number. So the answer will be false. Third part, every real number is an irrational number. The answer to this question is false. You have seen in the first part that there is asked every irrational number is a real number. That is true, but every real number is not an irrational number. So this is false. You have to keep this thing in mind. Don't get confused. Now question number 2. Are the square roots of all positive integers irrational? No. If not, give an example of the square root of a number that is rational number. That's not necessary that the square roots of all positive integers will be irrational only. They can be rational also. Yes, and for the example, you may give any of the you may write any positive integer and do its square root and show that this number is not irrational. You can do that. Now question number 3. This we will do in this we have to present root 5 on a number line. This we will do in our next video. I will show you in the next video. And question number 4, this question we will not do. This is an activity. If you want, you can do at your homes, constructing the square root spiral, but we will not do in this video, and this will not be included in your exams also. Yes, now in the next video we will do our question number 3, presenting on the number line. And if you have understood the true and false, then please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.